This is the Torque Interactive Calculator, which solves for torque, force, lever arm, angle, and power relationships in mechanical systems. Let's explore the input fields. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate torque, calculate force, calculate lever arm, calculate angle, calculate power from torque and angular velocity, and calculate angular velocity from power and torque. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate torque. Below that, you'll find the force input field where you enter the applied force, the lever arm field for the distance from the pivot point, and the angle field for the angle between force and lever arm. There are also fields for torque, power, and angular velocity that become active depending on your calculation mode. When you click Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated torque value as the primary result. You'll also see the perpendicular distance component, which shows the effective lever arm after accounting for the angle. The torque component result breaks down the force contribution. If you're working with rotational systems, the RPM result converts angular velocity to revolutions per minute. Any calculation limitations or warnings appear in the warning result field. This calculator streamlines torque analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.